And now you'll notice that the lighting in here has changed, and the reason for that is that setting on those lights that goes all the way from warm and friendly to kind of bright and harsh. I think the actual amount of light is the same, but just the color is different. Here we are. It's been so long so I forgot exactly what this thing is supposed to look like. These are my different length tubes. These are my wire nuts and my little copper pins. After this one here, I think, this is a tall ceiling. I might make it this thing will screw into my junction box up there, right into those holes, I believe. And here it is. It's not overwhelmingly huge. It has kind of an industrial vibe, which is what I wanted. I can make this thing any length I want. Here's my bulb. Oh, they gave me a replacement bulb, which is kind of them. Not really. Wasn't all that kind. I don't have time to take a survey as to how tall to make this. I'm thinking right here ought to be good. Ooh. That thing threaded? No, that thing's not threaded. One of these things has got to be threaded. This one. That was threaded. Yeah, that was threaded. These things screw together. Yeah, if I wanted to screw them together, I could, but I don't want to. I don't want to make it too low. Shut off the light, of course. I screw this thing in here. We can screw in on this end. Uh-oh. Phillips, back in a minute. Looks about right. This thing, let's see what these things are. These things are like toggleables to fit into concrete or something. I don't think I need that. Let's see what these things are for. These things. Here's my power meter to confirm there's no power on this thing. positive black to neg. No power. Ah, no power. We're cool. Power wires dangle through. Yeah, gotta go the other way. This will sit flat against this. I should be able to find some combination of holes that will go through my holes in my box. Right there's looking pretty good. All right, now we're gonna have a couple of these screws.